Welcome to my channel. My handle is TraderG, and I'm going to be showing you today how to use the order entry system on the mobile or cell phone version of the Gate.io trading platform. Please note that nothing in this video should be construed as investment advice, and this video has been made purely for entertainment purposes. Underneath this video you will see a referral link. If you use the referral link, you will receive 30% discount on all of your trading commissions. If you sign up without using a referral link, the most discount you will receive is the standard 10% that Gate.io offers to new signups that do not use referral links. If you see any offers for more than 30%, you should discount those offers because those are scams. The maximum that any referrer to Gate.io can offer is 30%. The screen you have been watching is the first screen that you will see when you open the app on your cell phone. This is an extremely useful screen because at a glance you can see how the market is doing in general. You have enormous control over the sort order of the assets ranking, and there are many different values which you can base that ranking criteria upon. My assets are ranked according to dollar trading value on the day, and you can see on the right I like to see the percentage move of the asset. On this day, Bitcoin had the highest trading volume, followed by Ethereum and then Ripple. A single finger tap acts like a toggle switch on any asset to provide a small expanded information screen. Now, if you look at the bottom of the screen, you will see that there is a trade button. If you wish to trade Bitcoin and only Bitcoin, by tapping on this trade button, it will take you directly into the Bitcoin trading screen. While this method of accessing the order entry screen will work for you if you are in a hurry to place a Bitcoin trade, the method I am showing you will allow you to enter the order entry screen of any asset, including Bitcoin. So let's go back to the main screen where I have been showing you that tapping on any asset opens up a more detailed information screen, and as you will see, we can continue drilling down into that asset, gathering information, and will then be able to enter the order entry screen to make a trade. Tapping on this trade button will take you directly to its order entry screen, but I prefer to tap on the graph itself, which then takes us into a much more detailed visual screen of the asset from which I can also access the order entry screen. This is the screen upon which I normally make trading decisions. This is the screen from which I will actually enter the order entry screen. What makes this screen so useful is that at a glance you can see price performance, trading volume, and relative strength. And I have just changed from the 5-minute to the 1-hour time frame. Checking these different time frames will help you make decisions about how to or even if to trade the asset. You can further configure these time frames by simply tapping on the More button, and that brings up a whole bunch more time frames that you can choose from, including weeks and months. You can scroll down the screen for more information, but I have enough information to make a trade, and I now press the Buy button to proceed into the order entry screen. We have finally reached the order entry or trading screen. Because I pressed the Buy button on the previous screen, I immediately get the Buy dialog. If I had pressed the Sell button on the previous screen, I would get this, the Sell screen. Both screens are identical, except one allows you to buy and one allows you to sell. Let's go back to the Buy screen. On the right hand side you can see the buyers in green and the sellers in red. The number in the middle represents the last price at which a trade took place. The green numbers are referred to as the bids, and the red numbers are referred to as the offers. It is very important to remember that when you open the screen, the last traded price value will be automatically entered into your order price offer field. The reason why this is so important is because the trading price is changing all the time, and the pre-populated original trading price might not be the price that you wish to pay for the asset when you actually go ahead with your order. We are now back to a live trading screen. We wish to trade, and we can now turn our attention to the options on the left-hand side of the screen. At this point in time, we are going to be discussing a limit order. A limit order is an order where you apply a certain price, and if the price condition is met, then your order is executed. Next is the price that we are prepared to pay, and you will see that that value is still the pre-populated value, and the actual price of Ethereum has now moved away from that price. This next field shows you the amount of funds that you have available for trading in USDT, also known as Tether, and underneath it, it shows you the amount of the asset which you already own. You can enter the amount of the asset that you wish to purchase by entering it as a number in the amount field, or you can enter the amount of USDT Tether that you wish to spend in the volume field. I use both methods. If I want to use all my funds, I find that the slider is the easiest way to do it. If I want to enter less than all my funds or portion of my funds, then I find that entering the USD amount is the easiest way to do it. The slider visually shows the percentage of your funds which you are allocating to the trade, and that percentage is reflected in the number in the USDT value field. At the same time, above the slider, you will see the number changing, and that represents the quantity of the asset which you are looking to buy. In a fast-moving market, the price of the asset can change quite quickly, and this means that you might need to, even a few times, while you are setting up your order, change the offer price at which you are prepared to buy the asset. The fastest way to change your offer price is to tap on any of the values in the bid and offer screen. The offer value will change to any number you tap on the right hand side of the screen. And we are now ready to tap the buy button and make our trade. You are prompted to confirm your order. Once you have confirmed the order by pressing on the OK button, you are prompted one more time to confirm the order by entering your password. Only once you have entered your password will the order become live in the system. One situation where you may wish to enter an asset price manually is if you wish to enter a price which is very far away from where the asset is currently trading and has no chance of being immediately executed. As you saw, tapping on the number field brings up the keypad and one can enter the price you wish to pay manually. Once you have confirmed your order, you can scroll down the screen and you will get to the orders section. If your order is visible in the screen, it means that it has not yet executed. Once the order has executed, this area will be empty, and in order to see the trade, you will need to tap on the trades section where the completed trades are listed. Because this trade is so far out of the money, it has no chance of being executed at this particular time. If there was a flash crash, it may happen. People leave orders like this active in the system in the event that some type of a very fast price crash does happen. So this is not an unusual type of order for people to enter into the system. If you have placed an order and it has not yet been executed and you decide you wish to cancel it, You can do this quickly and easily by tapping on the order itself, and then that will take you into the order details screen, which contains a cancel option. To cancel the order, you simply tap the cancel button, which will then bring up a confirmation where you will tap OK, and then you will see the confirmation of your cancel. Tapping on the return sign at the top left-hand corner of the screen near order details will take us back to the order entry screen, where you will be able to see that the order has been cancelled and there are no active orders. You have seen how to use the system to place a basic limit buy order. But what about a sell order? The system is very similar for the sell option. In order to sell, we first of all tap the sell button. So what has changed? Well, the layout of the screen has not changed at all. We have gone from the green buy option to the red sell option. We can now use our various entry methods to enter the amount of ETH that we wish to sell. We can use the touch screen by tapping in the amount of ETH, or we can use the slider bar, which will manually change the amount of Ethereum, the percentage that we wish to sell. Your sell price would normally depend on your urgency. If you are in a hurry to sell, you would choose the highest possible bid in green. If you are not in a hurry to sell, then you would choose either a number from the offers in red or a higher number than those offers. I chose the highest possible visible offer number for this example, and then to execute I press the sell button. I click on OK to execute the order. There is no password confirmation request because I recently entered the password. My order is confirmed. There it is in the screen, and to look at it I can press or tap on the order. It shows me the order details, and now I will cancel it because I don't actually want to execute it, and the order is cancelled. You'll see no orders, and I can now carry on trading. If you wish to check your executed trades, you would scroll down to the bottom of the screen and press on the trades section. Since I am in the Ethereum trading screen, the trades screen shows all of my completed Ethereum trades. If I was in another asset screen, it would show all of those. For example, if I was in Bitcoin trading screen, it would show the Bitcoin completed trades. This brings us to the end of this training guide for basic limit orders in the Gate.io mobile trading platform. I hope that this video has been useful to you. In my next video, I will be covering how to set up conditional orders, which would include, for example, stop losses. As a reminder, if you have not yet signed up with Gate.io and you use the referral link underneath this video, or if you are not able to use the link, if you use the number from the link in the sign up screen at Gate.io in the field that asks for a referral number, you will receive the maximum 30% discount on your trading fees, which Gate.io gives to any new signups. This is the maximum which Gate.io will give. Any claims to be giving more than 30% are not true.